morning traders, and welcome to Thursday, what is today, the 2nd of March 2017. And I know I said I'm not looking to take any trades today, but I was looking at Euro US dollar after yesterday's spike, and I'm seeing a lot of potential over here. So as you can see, last night it went up and it took a big jump, and let me just try and do something over here. It took a big jump last night, and I managed to capitalize on that full move over there, and then it made a huge reversal to this area over here, and now I'm looking to go north again, right? Because I believe that the market is in a huge reversal now, specifically Euro US dollar. So I'm anticipating a steep rise of this one today. There is some news out today. Let me just have a look at the calendar to make sure. Where is my calendar? Right, so things are looking to be quite busy today. Let's have a look here. Well, okay, not that busy. I mean, we had some. Let me refresh this page, because what happens is if you don't refresh it, it doesn't give you the update. We've got 10 o'clock when the euro opens, Spanish unemployment change. And then soon after that, there's quite a bit of news out for the euro today, so there'll be quite a lot of volatility. So I'm anticipating some strength on the euro today, and by the looks of things, it's already starting to gain. So I took a position over here, and we're looking already good on the upside. So what I'll do is I'll let this trade run. You guys can leave it in if you want, and just see what it yields for you. And if you feel, like I said yesterday in my previous video, that if you feel that you've had enough and you don't want to sit too long in front of the screen, and you're probably up 10 or 15, 20 pips, and you feel you want to pull out of that trade, by all means pull out, alright? My anticipated, well, I'm going to leave this one in. It's not a very big trade for me. So I'm going to leave this one in throughout the day, actually. It's 9:19 a.m. right now. I got into this quite early, about 9:05, and I'm anticipating a steep rise from here. Alright guys, so keep an eye out, Euro US dollar, anticipating a huge rise over here. So if you guys want to capitalize on that, by all means jump in, and I will catch up with you later again. Alright, thanks a lot. Welcome back guys. Just a quick update on that trade that we were taking this morning, that I sent out to most of the current students that are training with me. Just before we go into that, I just want to check here. I want to show you guys that at 9 a.m. there was some news that released. Okay, there was a positive sort of outlook for the euro, and in about 10 minutes or 11 minutes there'll be another news release at 10 a.m. and that's going to be also sort of influencing the euro. So if we look at our chart, and we can see we're already 7 or 8, almost 8 pips in profit over here, which is around $100. Okay, we're moving quite swiftly to the upside as I projected from my technicals, and we hoping to reach quite a huge target today, and I'm leaving this one in just for today to show you guys, and anticipating quite a steep rise basically to this area around here. Let me just make a block over here, possibly around this area over here. Okay, and that would be around 21 pips. Okay, just for this session. So I'm gonna leave this trade in just to show you guys more or less what it's gonna do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna stick around until about 10 a.m. So I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna pause this video and then come back at 10 a.m. just before the news releases, so you guys can see in real time what's actually happening on this trade. Okay, with the news release of what is this, Spanish employment change. Okay, so we can see what happens over there in real time. All right. GBP, there's quite a big, when I said like there's a red folder being released, it's a high impact news, so that we can check out what the pound US dollar is going to do based on the construction PMI release. So that would be quite high impact sort of like volatility on the market. So once that sort of gets released, you guys will see what will actually happen over there if you are watching the charts at 11:30 a.m. But for now, guys, 10 a.m. is what I'm looking forward to. I'm going to pause this video quickly and just to see what happens on the market when the news is actually released, and then I'll actually show you guys what impact the news actually has on the markets. All right, so I'm going to pause now and come back in about 10 minutes. Alright guys, we got 1 minute or 2 minutes or just under 2 minutes before the release of the news, and we're looking already quite good based on our technicals. We're sitting at 147 or $150, which is about 12 pips based on a 1.25 trade that I took. And as you can see, we're moving quite fast. We got about 1 minute to go now. So let's see what happens over here. Then I'm gonna close this off in profit or just leave it, let it run. But I just wanted to show you guys more or less what the news impact has on the actual specific pair that you're trading, like the euro US dollar, for example. Let me just take that away, take this and change its color to maybe green, green for money. So let's see what this actually does now. Right, we're sitting at 11.9 over here pips, and the move to the upside looks quite good, and we're sitting at $147. If I go to the news, you can see that Spanish unemployment change will be at 10 a.m. If I refresh this page, it's not yet released because that hasn't changed yet, so we'll see what the changes does on the chart now. So there we go. So 147.50, let's just see what it does. The news will be released now. It's about 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. So as you can see, there's a new candle that developed over there, and we'll see what it does. You see it freezes up a little bit. It's just waiting for the news to be released. So let's just give it a second or so. Refresh the chart and see if it's not actually frozen. But yeah, let's just give it a minute. We'll give it another few seconds before the news actually releases, and then you can see what it does to the chart. Alright, okay, so why is it not doing anything? Come on, do something. Okay, that's weird. It's like my chart just froze up. Come on. What's happening here? Oh, there we go. Alright, so the news came out. It looks like it's probably a bit negative, but I'm anticipating still a further incline to the upside. Let's just see what the news actually came out as. Let's click on that, and if it's green, well, it's actually negative, so the euro is going to be weakened a little bit by that news. But I'm still anticipating an up move. You see that regardless of the actual news, guys, regardless of the news release, fundamental news release, I have my bias based on the technicals. The technicals are stronger than the fundamentals. Fundamentals does move the market, guys, don't get me wrong, but your technicals is the one that actually gives you adequate direction of the market and actually does give you more accuracy. Right, you can see there's about 12.3. That's after the news release now. So like I said, I'm still anticipating a higher move up. There we go, $190, $200. Come on. Right, 14.5. Alright guys, so that was just to represent what the news impact actually does on the market and how it actually impacts your trade. So I'm gonna cut this trade off now, and well, this video off, and I'm still going to let this trade run much higher than this, so I'm gonna leave this in for the day. But yeah, guys, from the bottom we started over there and we up already $170. I'm anticipating, like I said, a move to that side over there, and if I leave my stop loss over here, that's about 200, not my stop loss, my take profit, it's around $250 for the morning, guys. So yeah, 253 as you can see over there. Right, so I'm gonna leave this in, and if you were in on this trade, congrats to you, you made some money. And if not, then I suggest you get in on the training and understand how we look at these charts so that you can also make some money early morning like we do every day. Right, guys. Like I mentioned, I sent out a text message to the non-students. If you having a struggle, if you're having problems to pay your actual student fee to get involved with us to learn these kind of things and movements in the market, I suggest you send us a message by all means. I mean, I spoke to my partner late last night. He's based out in London, and I basically told him, look, the South African market, we in terms of pricing for these kind of courses, it's a bit steep, and he understands that. So I told him, look, we can work out something with a few of the guys that are struggling to pay or struggling to arrange capital for the course. We all know you want to learn this. We know you want to reach this level of success in Forex and kind of make the money that we're doing every day over here. It's very easy for us now, guys, to be honest with you. This is like simple moves. That's why I send out trade calls like this in the morning for my students, because for me it comes really naturally now, because I understand how the markets move, and more or less 80% of my trades are profitable. So if you guys want to learn this, by all means, our course is very straightforward. It teaches you from the bottom right through to this level that I'm on right now. Gives you more or less a shortcut in trading. You got access to me as your top coach over here, and you guys can basically learn as much as you can from me and from my sort of experience in the market, and how to actually monetize from these moves every single day. Right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video short over here. Drop us a message. You know you got my WhatsApp number, and just talk to me. We can work something out if you want to get involved in the course, whether it be the one-on-one or the video courses online. Drop us a message and we can work something out for you. Okay, guys, safe trading today. Have a nice day, and do not over trade, guys. For my students specifically, I see you guys are messaging me all day in terms of what trades to take, Just don't over trade, guys, because it gets quite tiring and you start seeing things that aren't really there, to be honest with you. I've experienced that before myself when I just got into this, and once I understood the method and sort of my strategy improved, I was glued to the screen all day. Don't be glued to the screen, guys. Get some air, breathe, take a walk, take a drive, go and have a coffee somewhere, chill out, take your mind off from the charts, come back fresh, and then look for opportunity. It's always going to be there. Every single day you can make money like this, guys. All right, guys, so till tomorrow, safe trading, have a nice day, and we'll speak soon.